Hello everybody, Bob here, and I just wanted to show you one of my new applications created for the Android Marketplace. It's the CIA lockpicking manual. This is a new application. I just put it up on Google Play. So it was designed for tablet, but it will work on phone. So I have it on my tablet here. I'm going to start it up. Okay, and I don't know if you can read this because of my camera, but it starts the application. And with this application, if you click on Read from Web, it loads the book from the web. Depending on your internet speed, you know, it's pretty responsive. I have only wireless here, so, and it's pretty crappy, but it still works good. Once you click on Read from the Web, you can change the pages. Get a little closer view. There's the book there. So, and you can make it larger. Okay. You can adjust. Okay. Click on the next page. It works pretty good from Read from Web. It's also stored on the device. So if you don't have a web connection, all you do is click on Read from Device. Okay. So it's stored on your phone to your SD card. And you can make adjustments by just scrolling. The best thing to do is put your tablet in horizontal to read. And you just scroll through the book. There we go. And the book is there on your phone if you don't have an internet connection. This is one of my lockpicking books. CIA lockpicking manual. And then when you're done, you can either go back to the web. It reloads. So, well, like I said, read from your device if you don't have an internet connection. And then to stop it, hit stop the application and stop and exit. And there you go. Thank you.